much.
Manage your home wirelessly with the iHome Control app and smart plugs.
Siri, turn on the living room.
iHome Control is HomeKit enabled and works with both the Apple and Android platforms. Because it's cloud-based, you can manage your home from anywhere you have a Wi-Fi connection. You can also control multiple iHome smart plugs or trigger multiple plugs at once. Enjoy the broadest compatibility and platform partnerships of any smart plug. Conveniently schedule your appliances to fit your life. Make your home smarter with iHome's smart plugs. iHome, intelligent home solutions.
Introducing Roku Premiere. 4K and HDR streaming made easy at an incredible value. Setup is a cinch with the included premium HDMI cable. Enjoy stunning HD and 4K picture quality with sharp resolution and vivid HDR color. The included remote is incredibly easy to use. Stream the newest and most popular channels, plus a massive selection of free TV, live news, sports, family entertainment, and more.
Everyone pack your bags!
For easy 4K and HDR streaming, nothing beats the value of Roku Premiere. There's a Roku player for everyone. Happy streaming!
you.